So today's video is about how clean is your skin. After removing the makeup and everything, is it really clean? Even after you face wash, you do the face wash with your hands, how clean is it? I'm gonna test it today. So the first one that I'm using is the facial wipes, right? Okay, so I took off the product. Still, there's gonna be more product on your face, trust me. So I'm gonna use this bird peas cleansing oil. So let's see how this works now. I usually do this, even after the facial wipes, I do with the oil because it keeps my face a little hydrated. Um, so see, there's still product on my face even after using the facial wipes. So it's not gone. The next one is, so this is the one that I've been using recently, started using it. This really helps me to really take off that product. So this is the one that I bought, and this is the very soft ones, and this is a little hard, but it's not harsh on your skin, not at all. So what I do is I put on my pharmacy Clean Bee face wash, just a drop. I already has put some water on it. I have put some water. So okay. Okay. Then another, and I'm gonna use the other side as well to take off that. It helps to take off the dead skin or dry skin as well. Okay, let's see now. Because you have to do with water. So I'm gonna take the clean one. Uh-oh. Yeah. Okay, let's see. See, there's no product. That clean it is. It really cleans well and it is really good on your skin. It is not harsh, so you can try this product whenever you think you put a lot of makeup or you want it to just the pollution or anything dirt you want. So guys, let me know after you use this, how do you feel it and how harsh is it, if it is even harsh on your skin or not, and how it works for you. Let me know through comments and reviews. Thank you for watching this video. Meet you next time.